can be x1 plus x2 minus 1.5 equal to 0, or the negative of that, 1.5 minus x1 minus x2 equals 0. Now this is the decision point. Which one to choose? Okay? Now, first of all, this is an equation. Okay? This is an equation to a numerical value. But if I take the left hand side on alone, that is a mathematical expression. It's not an equation. Okay? So I'm representing okay, here the two choices are there. Okay? The V equal to, is that an equation? Is that an equation? It is not an equation. V stands for the value of that. Okay? So I'm representing V. Okay? So this is, what I'm saying is, earlier I wrote this equal to 0 is valid only for the straight line. Okay? But if you take the expression and I'm representing that by V, V is a name for that. V is a name for that. Okay? It's something like you're giving a title for that expression. Okay? So there are two V's here. Choice 1, choice 2. So now, this is a straight line dividing this one area, another area. When this is equal to 0, you get the straight line. When it is greater than 0, where you will be. When it is less than, where you will be. That's the point. So, if it is greater than 0, that is this region. This is an inequality. This is true for all the points in the upper triangle. It can be expanded. It's not a triangle, it is expanded right and upward, infinity. It will go to infinity. For all the points above this strip, okay, which is representing the straight line, all the points, if you do minus 1.5 plus x1 plus x2, that is a mathematical expression, will have a positive value. Okay? And for all the points below, this mathematical expression will be less than 0. So here it is less than 0, on the line it is 0, and here it is greater than 0. Less than, 0, greater than. Okay? So only on the straight line there is an equation equated to 0. Below and above, it's a mathematical expression either less than 0 or greater than 0. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. Now, is this what we want? We want y to be 0 there and y to be 1 there. Now, what is converting this situation to y equal to 0? What is it? This is the local field, the V, local field. That local field goes to the activation function in the neuron. And what activation function we are using? Threshold. Right? Threshold function. Meaning, whenever this expression is equal to 0 or greater than 0, the output of the neuron will be 1. So this will give you 1 for this case. Is that what you want? No. You don't want that. And for this one, below, it is less than 0, the output of the neuron will be 0, which that's not what we want. So this is a wrong choice. So come here now. The negative of that. Now, if the straight line satisfies this equal to 0. Okay, b equal to 0 satisfy the middle straight line. This one, 1.5 minus x1 minus x2 will be always less than 0 for all the points here. And you can substitute it. And for all these points, 1.5 minus x1 minus x2 will be greater than 0. So you have to choose this. This is what we want, y equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So this is the expression you have to use for, sorry, for your local field. Is that better? Is that better?